Welcome to another Jeopardy Minute. Today our special guest is a Mr. Know-It-All.
Please just call me Ken.
Ken.
Yeah, it's short for Kenneth, the Celtic word meaning handsome.
Ken, I'm curious, did you get to be a Mr. Know-It-All by watching Jeopardy?
No, I was a born know-it-all.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's my actual name. I come from a long line of know-it-alls. My father was a know-it-all, my grandfather was a know-it-all, my mother...
Was a know-it-all.
No, she was a smart aleck. She married into the know-it-all family.
Ken, now, you claim to know everything there is to know. Is that true?
That is true.
Well, did you know that Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune have moved to Channel 2?
No, I didn't know that.
Whether you know it or not, Southern California's two most favorite TV game shows have moved to Channel 2.
And you call yourself a Mr. Know-It-All?
I am.
Well, if you ask me, you're a fraud.
No, my next-door neighbors are the frauds. I'm a know-it-all.
Smart aleck.
Leave my mother out of this?
Sorry.
Thank you.
Wheel of Fortune and Jeopardy, now on Channel 2, tonight and every weeknight at 7. Here's looking at 2, kid.